Hi guys, welcome to another video from Belly Dance with Tahira series. Today we will try to walk around a bit with chest slides. This movement is one of our basic isolations in Oriental dance. If you haven't had a chance to master this movement, check out this link below. This is the video with basic isolations. Go there, see how chest slides look like and how to do them, and then come back to this video and try to walk with chest slides. When it comes to walking with different figures and movements in Oriental dance, the best way to do it is to walk according to a golden rule, and this rule is first a step, then the body, and then the movement. So first we need to do a step and then we can go with the chest slides. Of course, all the things are happening still in our basic posture, basic position. So feet parallel, knees slightly bent, pelvis tucked in, long belly, open chest, and we are walking in this position. So knees are always, all the time slightly bent. So I'm just doing a step and the other leg is following. Yes, we will walk side to side. So step and follow, step and follow, step and the leg follows, step and follows, step and it follows, step and it follows. So all the time with this slightly bent knees, 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. So the rest of our body can stay in isolation without the changing of the body weight, without the work in our hips. And chest slides, let's remind ourselves, it was a movement in our chest, side to side. So the hips are staying isolated and the chest is working side to side. And now we want to walk with this movement. So we're doing a step and then chest slide follows to the right, then the other leg joins the first one and chest slides to the left, and step, chest to the right, step, chest to the left, step, chest to the right, step, chest to the left, and step, chest to the right, and step, chest to the left, and step, chest to the right, and step, chest to the left. And they say that the Polish language is difficult, and try to say chest, 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 it's too many ch. We're going to the left. So left leg and chest slides to the left, right leg, chest to the right, and step, left, step, right, step, left, step, right, step, left, step, right, step, left, step, right, step, left, step, right. So now it was a little bit in a robot way, but now let's try to do this more fluently. And the golden rule still applies. So first the leg, then the chest, then the movement. But the faster I do it, the less visible it will be. But still the leg is always a bit faster than, or not faster, but it's a bit earlier on the spot than the movement. So now I go from side to side and leg step by step, and I've got right and left and right and left and right and left and right and stop. The other side, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, stop. To the right, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, stop. To the left, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, stop. As you see, the hips are staying isolated, only the chest is moving, and of course our legs. And we go to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, change. 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 And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, stop. And this is how you walk with chest slides. So if you like this episode and you've managed to walk with chest slides, give me a thumb up and hit that subscribe button down below so you won't miss new episodes from these and other series on my YouTube channel. And if you have any more questions about this movement or doubts, leave a comment below and I will answer. And if you are interested in more advanced content, for example, more advanced combos, variations of different movements, if you want to gather information about history, culture, different dance styles, psychology, all Oriental dance related, I encourage you to check out my Tahira Belly Dance Diary series, of course here on my YouTube channel. I encourage you also to follow my social media accounts, my Instagram and Facebook account, where I post a lot of things connected with my daily Oriental dance life. And I hope to see you here next week for a new episode of Belly Dance with Tahira. And thank you very much for your time. See you soon. Bye!